Imagine you own a moving company. When someone in Dubai searches for best moving services, you want them to be able to find you first. That's where Google Ads comes in. Think of Google Ads as your online billboard. Just like a billboard on a busy road, Google Ads makes your business visible to people searching for services like yours. You can choose who sees your ads. If someone types junk removal near me, your ad can pop up. You only pay when someone clicks on your ad. It's like paying only when someone walks into your store. And unlike traditional advertising, Google Ads can bring instant traffic to your website. Start today, and you can see results almost immediately. So, why use Google Ads? Get new customers, reach people actively looking for your services. Flexible budget, you can set a budget that works for you, whether it's small or large. Track your success, easily see how many people clicked your ad and contacted you. If you're interested in getting started with Google Ads for your business, contact us at Digital Dubai Experts. Let's help your business shine online.